Hi, this is Jake, and welcome to Modern Fellows. In this video, I examine Liingo Eyewear's free in-home try-on kit and share my experience with their prescription glasses. But first, let's get to know Liingo Eyewear. Entrepreneurs Amy Larson, Brandon Adams, Douglas Harris, and Peter Singleton founded Liingo Eyewear out of Draper, Utah in 2016. The company is focused on enabling customers to tell their stories through glasses. Their website says that Liingo believes that glasses should serve as an outward expression of personality, an extension of style. While their mission continues, their ownership structure has changed. In January 2018, the entrepreneurs sold Liingo to 1-800-CONTACTS, which is another Utah-based business. Before I jump into this review, Liingo provided a pair of eyeglasses to me at no cost. The first thing that attracted me to Liingo was their home try-on program. Like Warby Parker, Liingo will deliver eyeglass frames straight to your home to see which ones you like best. I tried Liingo's home try-on program and found it really easy to get started. First, you select 5 frames to try at home from their selection on their website. Then you enter your shipping address and give them credit card information, and that's it. Just be aware that once you receive your kit, you only have 5 days to examine the frames and send the box back. Scrolling through the selections on Liingo's website, my first impression was that their glasses are attractive and occasionally unique, though they rely heavily on black, dark brown, and tortoise shades for their frames. There aren't very many pops of color among Liingo's selections. When initially choosing your frames, there are some basic filters that can help narrow down the choices. For example, Liingo lets you filter by small, medium, and large frame sizes. I found that to be a lot less granular than other websites. Some competitors like Zenni Optical allow customers to filter by very specific dimensions, things like frame height and width and arm length. For me, that granularity is extremely useful to narrow down the universe of glasses that fit. With that said, Liingo shines with a virtual try-on option that uses your computer's camera and a pretty cool Find My Fit tool that uses the dimensions of a pair of glasses that you already own to discover glasses of similar sizes on its website. You can also filter by the color of the frames and by the glasses that Liingo characterizes as appropriate for your shape of face, which is round, oval, heart, or square. There's also a filter for frames available for in-home try-on, which is also useful because not all of Liingo's frames are available to include in their home try-on kits. For my home try-on kit, I selected 5 frames: the Maddox in matte burgundy, the Maddox small in tortoise, the Moab in eggplant, the Murray in tortoise slate, and the Payson in gray. All of the frames struck that right balance for me of feeling sturdy and well designed without being too heavy. You know, I find that some glasses tend to feel heavy on my face, but then I have other inexpensive ones that can be really lightweight, but they also feel a bit less sturdy. I thought that all of the frames that I received looked really good as well, and I was particularly struck by the unique matte gray horn design of the Payson. Now, if you identify a pair of glasses that you like from your home try-on kit, you can choose to add frames from the kit directly into your online shopping cart and buy them, even while you are still in possession of that kit. Ultimately, I found Liingo Eyewear's Murray glasses were the best combination of fit and style for me. I really like the combination of light slate and tortoise colors on the Murray glasses, and their smallish frames fit my face well. I found that ordering those new glasses was a breeze. I selected my frames, which had already been saved in my account because I ordered them through the home try-on kit, and then I chose my lens type. So Liingo Eyewear offers single vision lenses, which come in a thin, light, and impact-resistant polycarbonate for free. You can also choose to upgrade to 30% thinner lenses with anti-scratch and anti-glare features for an additional charge. And if you need progressive and multifocal lenses, they cost an additional $149. After you select your lenses, you proceed through the checkout process, and there you can select coatings for your lenses. Liingo Eyewear offers a $59 lens upgrade to Blue Light plus Duraseal HD, which filters blue light and reduces glare. I decided to add that combination blue light and Duraseal coating to my glasses that I ordered. From there, you enter your shipping and payment details and complete the order. If you're looking for an opportunity to enter your prescription details, you do that after checking out. This was a little confusing for me. Most online eyeglass retailers will ask a customer to put in their prescription prior to checking out. With Liingo, immediately after you check out, the company will provide instructions on how to submit your prescription information. They were also able to accommodate an astigmatism correction for me via email. Liingo Eyewear's frames, which include single vision lenses, start at $79. They offer a lens upgrade for $59 to Blue Light plus Duraseal, and they offer progressive multifocal lenses for an additional $149. I've been wearing my Murray eyeglasses for several months now, and I absolutely adore them. I love the way they look at my face. They're lightweight. They include blue light and anti-glare blockers to help my bleary eyes as I'm working from home, and they were exactly what I was looking for. Alongside its home try-on program, Liingo Eyewear also offers free shipping, free returns, and free exchanges on all of its prescription glasses and sunglasses. That generous shipping and return policy gives additional assurance to new customers. I've been nothing but pleased with Liingo's customer service, their quality of frames, and the functionality of their website. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll like it at the bottom of your screen. Consider sharing it with others. And for more ideas for dressing sharp in the digital age, please visit modernfellows.com.